Well, vegan chef Lauren Montelbano joins us every month here on Live at 4 to share locally sourced plant-based dishes.
Lauren just published her first cookbook of vegan recipes. It's called Grounded, Conscious Plant-Based Cuisine. And Lauren joins us now to tell us all about it. Lauren, congratulations on the book.
Thank you so much, Susan.
Tell us a little bit about it. How long a work in progress was this for you?
So this has been about 2 years in the making. I've been compiling recipes from my time at Surya Cafe and also even some of the recipes that I've prepared for you here on the show. And it sort of spans a whole breadth of recipes. I've got recipes for beverages, dressings, salads, entrees, sides and snacks, and also desserts. So you can really cook every meal from this cookbook if you desire.
Are people intimidated by vegan cooking?
I think so. That's probably the #1 challenge I hear, is that it's just a little bit confusing in order to get the proper nutrition and how do you make vegetables taste good. So luckily, I've gotten all of that covered for you with some delicious sauces and dressings and things to zazz up all of the local produce.
So what is your best advice if maybe for a New Year's resolution somebody is considering trying a vegan diet?
I would definitely say get some great resources, my cookbook being one, but also there are many great blogs out there available. A lot of different news shows are even highlighting different vegan recipes and having chefs on their shows as well, so that you can see actually that it's quite easy to prepare these dishes at home and not having to worry about temping your meats and things like that actually makes it quite simple.
I think a lot of people think, too, you have to go to some specialty store to buy the ingredients.
Not at all. I think, honestly, getting your produce from your local CSA is a great way and a great challenge to present yourself, to be able to cook with different ingredients that you might not source. And you can just pick that up or have it delivered right to your door, which makes it even easier.
What about people with families and that have children? Is a vegan diet healthy for kids? I mean, I would think that would make it even a little more intimidating when you're trying to feed the entire family that way.
Yeah, it definitely can be. The #1 thing is just making sure that you're supplementing with a B vitamin supplement if you are going to be completely plant-based, and making sure that growing children are getting enough protein. But a lot of different alternatives these days are making it quite easy to up all of our protein content. And just, I always encourage people to eat the rainbow. As long as you're getting a wide range of colorful food, you are getting a diversity of different nutrients. And if you cook the food and prepare it in a delightful way and kind of, I don't want to say force your children to eat it, but you know, make them know that it's going to be tasty and it's going to be delicious, and get them exposed to this sort of eating early on so that they can continue to eat healthfully for the duration of their lives.
Eat your vegetables takes on a whole new meaning.
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely.
The book available everywhere?
The book is available currently on Amazon, and at the end of the month, it will also be available here locally at Brick Cider in Mount Horeb, Orange Tree Imports on Monroe Street, and I will have it for sale on my website, thevibrantveg.com, as well by the end of January.
Well, congratulations on your first cookbook.
Thank you so much, Mark.
Lauren, thanks for being with us
Lauren,
today.
great to see you. Great to see you. Thanks so much.
Happy New Year.
You as well.